What's up, y'all? It's Jimmy coming to you guys with another video. Before I get into the video, as always, make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. And when you get to subscribe, please make sure you guys are hitting that notification button. To get right into the video, I have another review for y'all. I know it's been a little minute since I've done any sneaker review, and that's just because my sneaker account has just been so dry. Like, I really haven't been hitting on much. But to be honest, the sneaker releases for February haven't been too hot either. Like, there have been sneakers dropping every week, but nothing seems to be dropping too crazy this month. But nonetheless, I did manage to hit a pair of Air Jordan 1s on sneakers. These are the dark Marina Blue ones, I believe that's what they're dubbed. I'll say first impression before I even get into the shoes is that they're actually not too bad. The colorway is pretty simple, pretty standard. I mean, you can't really go wrong with like basically a royal blue, black, and white Air Jordan 1. And if you guys are interested in picking it up, they're actually going for pretty cheap on StockX. I want to say maybe $30 to $40 over retail, and you can probably get them a lot cheaper if you buy them locally. But getting right into the review, here is the box that they come in. Of course, your standard, typical Air Jordan 1 box. Size tag reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. These are a size 8. Colors are dark Marina Blue, black and white, and there is no more suggested retail price tag, but I think after tax and everything, these came out to be $183. And then jumping right into the review, here are the shoes. Like every Air Jordan 1 review I ever do, very simple, gonna be very quick. The main thing about this is going to be mainly talking about the quality of the shoe and then showing you guys the on foot. But starting with the outsole of the shoe, you have your classic Air Jordan 1 outsole in that dark Marina Blue color. And then moving up, you have your white midsole that wraps all the way around. I do like how Jordan Brand is very particular when they use like kind of like an optic white versus a sail white. This is something where this optic more pure platinum white looks a lot better. And then moving on to the uppers is composed of a smooth grain leather. Yeah, I'll say it's all smooth grain, there's nothing tumbled, and I'll say the quality of the leather is surprisingly actually pretty good. I don't know what to really compare it to or put it as a baseline, but I will say just to the touch, this feels a lot better than a lot of the past Air Jordan 1s that we've seen recently. And as for the color blocking, it's very simple, where you have your toe box, your eyelet lacing area, your back panel, and then your swoosh. You have that dark Marina Blue color, and then your toe box, mid panel, and then the back heel portion right here is in black. And then you guys can see you have a black tongue and a blue Nike Air tag with Nike Air in white. And the shoes come with 3 laces, so shout out to Jordan Brand for giving you the options, but they come in the blue laces, which the shoes are pre-laced with, white and black laces. For myself, I would probably go with either the blue or the black laces. I think white might not look too bad either, but personally I would go with black just because I think it matches better with the shoe. And like I said, really simple review, and now I'm gonna show you guys how they look on feet. So if you guys enjoyed the on-foot look of the dark Marina Blue Air Jordan 1s, let me know why you guys think these are basically bricks, right? I mean, they're not going for too much. Like, the overall shoe itself is really nice. The colorway is actually pretty dope. It's basically like a royal blue Air Jordan 1 2.0, but for some reason people are sleeping on them. Is this an indicator that Air Jordan 1s are really starting to die out? Because I'll say it's one thing for like the burgundy ones that came out a couple months back, for those to break, but these right here, this is something I would expect a lot of people to like, but for some reason it doesn't seem, I mean, I feel like it's a 50-50 split. I feel like some people really like them, some people are right in between where they're kind of whatever. and then the other group doesn't like him whatsoever. But nonetheless, a dope shoe in my opinion that I wanted to review for y'all. And it's gonna wrap up the video. Until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.